Alright, so welcome to another video. Alright, we have right here LED LCD TV backlight tester. Alright, so we're doing an unboxing. Alright, so these are the characteristics of the product: high brightness, no disassemble, more accurate, so we're going to dive in. Alright, so we're going to open the box. Alright, as you can see, we got a device here, TKDMR, the model TD2B backlight tester. This is off, the on and off switch. The test leads, ports I should say, which is the positive and negative as it states. Alright, what else in the box? We have the test probes. Alright, so we're going to show you. Put that aside. One thing I like with these probes, it comes with a cover that to protect the probes itself. Alright, as you can see, and also it comes with a user manual. Alright, so it tells everything, the instruction on how to use this device. Alright, as you can see right there, instruction, testing tips. Alright, and the warranty on the product. Alright, so put that aside. So now we're going to plug in this device and show you how it works. So the block, alright, this is coming off already. Alright, take off that, bring on the camera a little bit more. Alright, so remove this strap and we are going to plug it in the socket. Alright, it's plugged in. As you can see. Alright, so it's starting up. So now we're going to test some light. So I've also got some LEDs from GB. Alright, so I got 200 LEDs. 100 are 3 volts and then the other 100 is a 6 volt. So I'm going to show you those. So as you can see, 6 volts and 3 volts, and we are going to take one and test it and let you see it. Alright, so I put the box here and I'm going to show you something. Alright, this broad piece is the anode and this is the cathode side right over here. Right, so I'm going to put it on the box here to test it, show you. Alright, hold on. It drops in the box. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here. Alright, and I'm going to test it now. See that, guys? So you can see right here. Right. Alright, so this is the 3 volt LED that I took from this. So now I'm going to put the 6 volt one right here and we are going to test it, show you. Alright guys, so If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what you think of this unboxing video. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe to the channel, and ensure the bell notification is on. Alright,